Welcome back to WTOL 11, your day. It's time to get motivated. So why wait until January 2nd to join a gym? There are YMCAs all over Toledo waiting to see you. And local Y President Brad Toft joins us this morning with some expansion and rebuild plans for the Wayman-Palmer YMCA. Good morning. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. Good to be here.
You know, this was just announced recently. Exciting news for the community. Walk us through this project and the timeline.
Yeah, and I think you're referring to the Wayman-Palmer YMCA. We've had a great partnership with the city of Toledo for many, many years, and recently announced that we're expanding that partnership to a beautiful new building. We're so excited. It's going to be moved from behind the shopping center there and put on Bancroft. Going to be a larger facility to meet the community needs that will have a really cool wellness center, demonstration kitchen, e-gaming studio, and very excited about having a pool. Many folks said that this has been a project 50 years in the making, and we're delighted to be part of this.
You know, when we talk about getting into the central city and really working with our young kids and setting them up for a strong and positive future, you've got some key partners involved in making all of this happen. Talk about that.
Yeah, for sure. Well, first, the city of Toledo. They've provided great leadership for this project. United Way is a big part of it. The Wayman-Palmer Y is actually designated a community hub. Have a great partnership with LISC, which is the Local Initiative Support Corporation. Recently announced a partnership with Peloton, and actively looking for other partners to join us at that location to really address the needs of the community.
You know, you have big plans for the whole area and not just this particular facility. So what other branches and locations are involved in your big capital projects plan? Yeah,
our board and our leadership has been focused on this for about the last 6 years. The Wayman-Palmer Y obviously is at our top of our list. We also know that our Sylvania and Wolf Creek YMCAs need to be updated, the same as East. And then at our beautiful resident camp, YMCA Store Camps. The total amount we're trying to raise is $31.6 million, and have done very well, well down the road on many of those projects, and very excited about transitioning into that new YMCA.
So of course you're always looking for support from the community, folks who might be able to make some donations to help you out with these projects. How important is it for kids and families to have these services and resources available in their communities, in their neighborhoods?
You know, our Ys are so much more than buildings. It's really the impact that we have using those facilities. You know, we really focus on helping kids be successful in school, helping the community become healthier and bringing people together. We have documented outcomes in all of those areas that really leads to the ability for people to live a vibrant and successful life.
You mentioned Sylvania being on your list of projects that you want to work on, and you were actually asking for voter support tomorrow.
Well, we really have been talking with the Sylvania Area Joint Recreation District. They have an initiative to build a new community rec center. We'd love to be able to work with them. We think 2 facilities is the wrong approach in Sylvania, and we think that we should come together and do one really cool project for the city.
Let's talk about the pandemic. So we've been in this now. We can't really say that we're out of it, but things do seem to be better. We do seem to have a little bit better sense of normalcy. So how are things at the YMCAs, especially compared to maybe how they were at the beginning of the pandemic?
Yeah, we're actually doing really well. Our membership is about 90% of normal. We have high demand for some of our programs: swimming lessons, childcare, sports. You know, we are limited in a lot of ways today just by our like everybody else, our inability to hire staff. So if someone is out there looking to make a difference in the lives of a child or an adult, we have a place for you.
You have child care programs, you have, like you said, the swimming lessons, and just working at the facilities. Everybody is hiring right now. So, Brad, if folks are interested in either filling out an application or making it a donation, how can they go about doing that?
You know what? They can access our website at www.ymcatoledo.org.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yep. Take care. We have more Your Day coming up after this.